Hi all, today, we will talk about 5 facts about yoga. First fact, historical root. Yoga is an ancient practice with roots going back centuries. Its history can be traced back to ancient Indian texts, particularly the Vedas and Upanishads. These texts contain knowledge and wisdom about spiritual development and practices that later became the basis for various aspects of yoga. However, the modern understanding of yoga is largely shaped by the work of the sage Patanjali. In the 2nd century BC, he created the Yoga Sutras, in which he outlined a systematic 8-limb path describing methods for achieving spiritual harmony. Thus, the history of yoga goes back thousands of years and includes many traditions, philosophies, and practices that continue to evolve and influence millions of practitioners around the world. Second fact, 8-legged path. The second fact is related to the fundamental concept in yoga, the 8-limb path described in Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. This path is a systematic plan aimed at spiritual development and achieving inner balance. The 8-legged path consists of the following stages. Yamas, moral principles, include non-aggressiveness, sincerity, hatred of theft, moderation and consumption. Non-cunning, niyama, ethical standards, includes purity, trust, detachment, moderation, and devotion to the divine. Asanas, physical postures, the practice of physical postures aimed at strengthening the body, improving flexibility, and preparing for deeper practices. Pranayama, breath control, controlling the breath to improve energy flow and strengthen the connection between body and mind. Pratyahara, separation of consciousness from the external world, diverting attention from external influences and focusing on the inner world. Pratyahara, separation of consciousness from the external world, diverting attention from external influences and focusing on the inner world. Dhyana, meditation, deep absorption in a concentrated state in which unimportant thoughts disappear. Samadhi, state of oneness, the highest stage when the practitioner completely merges with the object of meditation, achieving a state of oneness with the infinite. This 8-legged path provides a holistic approach to self-development and spiritual evolution, integrating the physical, ethical, and spiritual aspects of yoga practice. Third fact, physical and psychological benefits. Physical benefits, flexibility and strength. Practicing asanas, physical postures, in yoga helps improve flexibility and strengthen muscles. Balance and coordination. Performing asanas requires balance and coordination from the practitioner, which helps improve balance. Endurance. Regular yoga practice helps increase stamina and energy. Psychological benefits. Reduce stress. Yoga breathing exercises and meditation help reduce stress levels and improve psychological well-being. Improve concentration. The practice of dhyana, meditation, helps improve concentration and mental clarity. Combat insomnia. Relaxing poses and breathing techniques can help combat insomnia and improve sleep quality. Yoga is also known for its ability to improve overall vitality and sense of self. These physical and psychological benefits make yoga a popular practice among people seeking harmony between body and mind. Fourth fact, different styles of yoga. Hatha yoga. This style focuses on physical postures, asanas, and breathing exercises. Pranayama. It is suitable for beginners and is the basis for many other styles of yoga. Vinyasa yoga. This style emphasizes smooth transitions between poses, creating a harmonious and graceful flow of movement. Vinyasa yoga typically requires physical activity and strength. Ashtanga yoga. This style is a dynamic and physically demanding practice involving a series of predetermined poses and breathing techniques. Ashtanga yoga also involves regular practice at each of the 6 levels of difficulty. Iyengar yoga, specific for its emphasis on detail and precision in the execution of poses. Iyengar yoga uses various devices such as belts and blocks to help practitioners achieve the correct posture. Kundalini yoga. This style involves dynamic movements, breathing exercises, meditation, and chanting to release the energy that resides at the base of the spine. Kundalini, Bikram yoga, practiced in a heated room with a specific sequence of 26 asanas. The high temperature helps stretch the muscles and promote sweating. These are just a few examples of the varied styles of yoga, each providing a unique approach to the physical and spiritual aspects of the practice. The choice of a specific style depends on the goals of the practitioner and his physical capabilities. Fifth fact, modern forms of yoga. Integration into fitness programs. Over time, yoga has become an integral part of many fitness programs. This allows you to combine the physical benefits of yoga with elements of cardio, strength training, and flexible exercise regimens. Yoga therapy. Yoga therapy is becoming increasingly common as a method of rehabilitation and treatment for various physical and psychological problems. An individualized approach allows to use yoga to improve health and recover from injury. Online practices. With the development of technology, yoga has become available in an online format. This allows practitioners to practice anywhere and at a time that suits them, following virtual lessons, as well as connect with the yoga community in a virtual space. Combined methods. Many modern studios and instructors are introducing innovative approaches by combining elements of yoga with other methods such as Pilates, dance, or functional training. Corporate yoga. Many organizations provide corporate yoga programs for employees to reduce stress, improve concentration, and overall well-being. These modern forms of yoga reflect the adaptation of this ancient practice to modern requirements and needs, making it more accessible and beneficial to a wide range of people. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. It motivates me to make videos.